Hello everybody, this is Val with
This is how we do it.
Hello, my beautiful people. This is Val with This Is How You Do It. I just took a trout out the freezer and I'm going to let it thaw out and I'll show you what I'm going to do to it. Season your fish front and back. Season to your taste. Cook about 5 minutes on one side. Now we're going to do 2.5 minutes on the other side.
I've told everyone I know that has a car. I probably have 4 or 5 of my buddies already signed up for car care. Customers everywhere agree. If your car is out of warranty, you need to call Car Shield. Or your car has an expensive breakdown.
Without Car Shield, there was no way that I could afford to get my car fixed.
An agent, transmission, or computer system breakdown could cost you thousands of dollars. But not with Car Shield, America's #1.
Now it's ready. Garnish whatever you like or side dish or just like it is.
Down, fellas. You found the best hamburgers around, huh? Wait, nice to see you again, Sheriff. Oh.